Increasingly, organizations are investing in accelerating their digital transformation journey. To that end, they leverage Kubernetes to improve developer agility and to reduce their software's time to market. Multi-cloud solutions allow us to place workloads in the right location at a lower cost whilst avoiding vendor lock-in. The traditional approach to public cloud has brought an increase in complexity and lack of control. This results in highly unpredictable costs, and it also makes it difficult to meet compliance, performance, and high availability requirements. These requirements, on the other hand, are easily addressable with private infrastructure, but it often comes at the expense of agility and self-service. By using infrastructure as code, we can build multi-cloud solutions that provide consistent user experience and governance, as well as the agility the business demands. ServiceNow self-service catalogs provide a consistent experience across public, private cloud, and co-location data centers. In this demo, we are using an Equinix data center along with the Cloud Fabric solution that provides high bandwidth, low latency connectivity to the three main public cloud providers. The Kubernetes catalog allows users to provision Kubernetes namespaces in their cloud of choice. Once the request has cleared all governance requirements, ServiceNow notifies the RedHat Ansible automation platform to start the automation process. AAP automates Kubernetes clusters seamlessly in all locations. In this solution, we have implemented the RedHat Openshift container platform on all clouds. This provides Kubernetes consistent operations and a consistent developer experience. This demo will use both Equinix and Azure data centers. Containers store persistent data on Dell PowerFlex via the Container Storage Interface driver. Thanks to Cloud Fabric, only a single PowerFlex system is required at the Equinix location to store data for all clusters. By providing cloud-adjacent storage, organizations can meet their data sovereignty and performance requirements with a predictable TCO. Finally, Dell PowerProtect Data Manager is used to protect Kubernetes namespaces regardless of where they are. This includes all namespace resources such as pods, secrets, and even persistent volumes. A developer is logged into the Openshift console. There are no namespaces available. The same developer user logs into ServiceNow and accesses the self-service catalogs. These include multiple data center resources. The business requires a new application codenamed Project Nova, and the user needs a new namespace to start developing the application. They decide to use the development cluster in their co-location data center to keep costs down. It will be backed up with a silver policy. After a few seconds, the namespace is created. From this point, containers can be deployed using the Kubernetes command line utility as normal. Development can also be fast-tracked by taking advantage of Openshift's developer catalog. Now, let's deploy a skeleton Python web application. A few seconds later, the requested application is up and running, and we can access it with a web browser. A few months later, the microservices application is complete. The release manager goes to ServiceNow to request a new production namespace. The new site will be launched after a big marketing campaign, and the team doesn't know how many visits it will get. They decide to deploy in Azure to better handle the unpredictable demand. The application will be protected with a gold backup policy. This time, they deploy the full stack using the command line. A few seconds later, the site is up and ready for business. In PowerProtect Data Manager, we can see that both namespaces were automatically protected with the requested policies. In this video, we have demonstrated how to use infrastructure as code to create a multi-cloud Kubernetes as a service solution that delivers a consistent user experience, as well as consistent container, storage, and data protection management. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.